Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got another case in for the Pixel 4 XL. This is by Schnail again, and this is the Savior series here. Got a little bit of branding that says Savior on the side. The case has tons of grip. I mean, more grip than you can possibly think you might need, but it's not uncomfortable to use. So the case is one of those drop protection cases, and it's actually pretty comfortable to hold. It has like a slanted back, like it slants this way. It's probably really difficult to see on camera, but it definitely slopes into your hand, giving you that grip. So the volume rocker, everything works good on here. There's no plastic screen protector on these because, you know, that's the thing in the past. People took them out anyway. And so power button feels good. You got corner protection on every side of this case. And then you obviously have the flap here to cover the charging port. And you just put that in like so. It's got a little dip in the inside there where you can make sure it's snug in there. It's really nice. And then obviously you can see it has a kickstand. Now these kickstands are nice, but man, it's tough to get out sometimes. But once you get it loose, it stays fit because it locks in place. And then you can watch your content however you want to watch it. You got a nicely deeply recessed part here for the camera. It is definitely going to be protected. And then you obviously got that lay on the table design because you have a huge lip around the edge there to protect it. And taking it off will be easy. I'll show you how to take it off in just a second, but it lay on the table design, perfectly good. So drop protection, not too bulky. You probably think in this case it is very bulky, but once you use one of these, you'll see that it's not as bulky as it appears to be, because when you think about it, this is just a thin piece of plastic, and that's all it is. But taking it off, you just want to take it off the same way you put it on, which is there's a little dip in the corner down here, which you pull, and then this breaks apart into two pieces, and then you have the case and your phone. That is what you have. So putting it on, you put it into this part first. It'll drop right in like that, and then I always go bottom first. For some reason, I don't know why I just go bottom first. It just seems to glide and just flop right into place. And then you just work it around the edges in order to make sure that it's sealed up. And then you put your port in, and then you're back to square one to using this beautiful case. And it'll be just fine for you. Lots of grip on this one, and this is definitely a protective case. Again, don't let the way it looks deter you for thinking that it's just bulky, oversized. It's going to make your phone be not usable. As you can see here, all the gestures and everything, swiping from the bottom, everything, it's all the same. It's nothing different in the usage of the device. A lot of people always ask about the squeeze feature. That feature is still available on the phone. I have mine turned off, but you can still use those types of functions with cases like this. So it's your man Jay. There you have it. Another Schnail case. Shout out to Carl for hooking up the case. The Savior series. You know I like that. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. Take care.